When in the admin dashboard, there are many functions that can be performed. Selecting the Maintenance drop-down menu allows you to manage users, exams, modalities, non-revenue events, palettes, preferences, roles, role types, and manage image codes and CMS imports. Selecting User will bring a pop-up in which you can choose a user. You can manually search for the user or choose Show All to see all users in the system. Once you have located the user you would like to alter, select on their name. A pop-up titled Manage User will appear. In this, you can choose to change the basic details and settings for the user. You can alter their name, their email address, the user group, and the employee type. You can choose whether or not a pop-up for a late explanation will be required if they log into a role after its begin time. You can deactivate the user. You can enable them for HL7 integration. And you can determine whether they're paid by RVU or by role. You may also reset the user's password from here. Doing this will send an email to the user. You may add new HL7 interfaces for the user. In this section, you can also transfer completed or delete completed events for the said user. Transfer completed events allows you to move events from one role to another if they're accidentally documented in an incorrect role. Clicking on Transfer From allows you to choose the date, the role. Selecting the role will bring up all the events that were entered. You can choose what role you would like to transfer them to. And then select any of the events you would like moved. You can choose individually or select all. Choosing Transfer Events will move them. The same may be done in Delete Role events, excepting that you won't be transferring to a new role, you will simply be removing the ones that occurred in the role you select. Clicking on View Role History will show you all roles that the radiologist that you've chosen has been logged into.